Hello, my dear students. Here is our English 2 class. Our topic is transformation, complex to simple and vice versa. Though we did this topic in the class time in first term, but we did not get enough time to practice it. So I thought that before starting something new, if we go through these rules again, it will be helpful for you. In the class time, we had discussed about different types of sentences, clauses, conjunctions, etc. So here we are going to the rules directly. Let's see what are the rules waiting for us. Complex to simple sentence. Rules number 1. If in the complex sentence there is though or although with the subordinate clause, what will be the change? Let's see. Here given, though he is poor, he is happy. In simple sentence we can use in spite of or despite. In spite of his being poor, he is happy. Here see the changes. The auxiliary verb of the subordinate clause converted into ing form and adjective remains same. But in the second sentence, the adjective becomes noun. Here we write, despite his poverty, he is happy. You may see the changes of the underlined word. Another example, complex sentence, though he was working hard, he could not succeed. In the subordinate clause, there is auxiliary verb and main verb. In the simple sentence, we will use only the main verb. That is, in spite of his working hard, he could not succeed. Rule number 2. If plus affirmative sentence. Here it is given, if you take balanced diet, you will remain healthy. In simple sentence, we take by and the main verb of the subordinate clause is converted into ing form. That is, by taking balanced diet, you will remain healthy. Rule number 3, a slight difference from rule number 2. That is, rule number 3, if plus negative sentence. If you do not have an aim, you cannot get success. Simple sentence, without having an aim, you cannot get success. Another way we can do, that is, you may see the underlined words. If you do not permit, he will not live. In simple sentence, it becomes, without your permission, he will not live. It becomes noun here. Next rule, that is rule number 4. If in the complex sentence there is unless, what will be the changes? Unless you play well, you will not win the game. Simple sentence, without playing well, you will not win the game. Rule number 5, if in the sentence there is when, as, since, then the changes will be like this. In complex sentence we say, when the students saw the teacher, they came forward. Here the subjects of the both clauses are same and they both have main verb. So in doing simple sentence, we convert the main verb of the subordinate clause into ing form, that is, seeing the teacher, the students came forward. Next example, as the meeting was over, we went home. Here, simple sentence, the meeting being over, we went home. Another example for you, for complex sentence, since they are industrious, they will overcome the problem. Here, auxiliary verb of the subordinate clause becomes being industrious, they will overcome the problem. As both the sentences subject are same, we use it only in the principal clause. Another example, complex sentence, as he was sick, he could not join us. Here adjective becomes noun and we can use because of or on account of his sickness, he could not join us. You may see the underlined words. Next rule, rules number 6. That is complex sentence. it contains some relative pronouns. Who, which, that. Then what will be the changes? Complex sentence. The student who works hard can shine in life. In doing simple, we omit the relative pronoun and the main verb into ing form. The student working hard can shine in life. Next example, the answer which was written by you was correct. Here also we omit the relative pronoun and use the participle form. The answer written by you was correct. But third number rule is slightly different. Here the underlined pronoun becomes possessive here. The gift that he gave me was valuable. Simple sentence, his gift was valuable. In this way, all the rules you can also convert into simple to complex. Still, I am giving some hints of the rules of simple to complex. That is rule number 1. If there is present participle in the simple sentence. Going home, I found my mother asleep. Going home indicates time, so we take the conjunction when. When I went home, I found my mother asleep. Another example, hearing a noise, he woke up. Hearing a noise, it seems a reason. So we take as. As he heard a noise, he woke up. Rule number 2. If there is perfect participle in the sentence, then in writing complex sentence, we have to use past perfect tense. That is, having done the work, he went to bed. It becomes, when he had done the work, he went to bed. Next rule, it is very familiar to you. That is, if in the simple sentence there is to or two, in the complex sentence we will use so that plus subject plus cannot or could not. Simple sentence, I was too tired to talk. Complex sentence, I was so tired that I could not talk. Rules number 4. If in the simple sentence there is the indication of time, in the morning, in spring, in the afternoon, or at the time of, then we use when. Simple sentence written, the cocks crow in the morning. Complex becomes, the cocks crow when it is morning. Simple sentence, I saw him at the time of reading. Instead of at the time of, we use when here. I saw him when he was reading. So I hope that if you go through the Advanced Learner book with the help of CW copy, you will easily recall the rules. And here is exercise for you. Do this, practice this. It will be beneficial for you. Hope we will meet soon with the next topic. Thank you. Bye everybody.